another area of this beautiful place. You can see all this flat zone. You can see a barrel over there. Can you spot the barrel? In this place there is a old campfire that bring me gold items already. I found a gold medal years ago, and a ring, probably lost when they stay around the fire at night. This is the campfire. That I have said before, the barrel. I think this was the main area of the camp. You can see those old pines, they are dead. And in the hunting season other people came here and probably spend the night around this fire. I usually discard my trash in this place every time, so I think this fire is full of metal thrown by mine in the years, and as a proof that people came here again at night, you can see here there are traces of recent activity in the area, so probably it's not a secret area. But I don't think the other that came here use a metal detector, because I still found stuff lost many years before in this place. I found a spoon. They are very common. I find here near the campfire. Probably it broke when they were having a dinner here, and they throw away this spoon. I don't think I bring this with me, so I discard in the fire. A problem that you could have in these areas, in those areas where the people burn something, is this: they are very nasty nuggets of aluminum. I think aluminum of cans and other or foil burned in the fireplace. So you find a lot of these stupid things that you really cannot discriminate. I have found now a coin, a 200 lira coin. They are from before 2000. It's a bronze alloy coin, so very resistant to the weather. Can you hear the amount of signals that I have? This place is very trashy. These are other very annoying objects that you can mistake for a good object, because they are artifacts made of brass, so you cannot discriminate this. Here there are our best friend, still in place. Look, maybe in place from years, for many years. Is still there. It was positioned like this, so it means that the camp was near here. We discarded them, throwing in the campfire as usual, so we don't find it the next time. As you can see, this is a very trashy area. I came equipped with a small coil too, that offers a great target separation, so you can improve the ability to discriminate correctly, because as you know, if two objects, maybe one good and another bad, are in the same time under the coil, the detector could be fooled by the signal of these two objects. So having a small coil can give you a better separation of the object, so you have only one object at a time under the coil, and even if you lose some depth with this kind of coil, I can say that they are very good. I think the loss of the depth is not so critical in those areas, because the targets are very shallow, so you don't have big problems related to the depth of the object. I came here years ago with Nautilus. I think it was nonsense using a powerful machine like that to search in a place where objects are very shallow. Consider that this is a river island. It's formed by a very compact layered strata of gravel and sand, rocks, so the object doesn't sink more in the ground like in other places. There are here other problems, like a lot of hot rocks. Look at this big boulder here. This is a metamorphosed product of the basalt. It's very rich in iron and magnesium minerals, and they give very big problems to detectors. Look at this other piece here, green. This is another product, metamorphic product of basalts. They came from the floor of an ancient ocean that were here in the Mediterranean area here in Europe, and now they are on the Alps, and the water have demolished all these rocks from the Alps and bring it there. So we have this other hot rock problems too, and I have a lot of problem with the Nautilus to get the proper ground balance. I need to reduce the transmitting power. For those who don't know, the Nautilus it's a detector that have the ability to let you set the power of the transmitted signal, but these have drawbacks, because as you know probably, more signal you put in the ground, more response you get from the ground minerals. so it's not so good to have a powerful machine in a very difficult ground. So I need to turn down the power a lot, but I think it's not it's very not the proper machine to search in trash areas like this. I came here before with the Tesoro Silver, who give me big results, and with Tesoro with small coil. Now I came out with Outlaw. Unfortunately today I need to go home now because it's getting late, so maybe we try the small coil on the Outlaw in this site another time. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe this channel and stay tuned for more resources.